Hi there, Chelle and Clint,
Hey guys,
and probably Gracie because she's
I saw a dumb ball
being a
somewhere.
handful. I tell you. Um, wanted to do a short update since I didn't get a video up yesterday. Here's Gracie. Oh, oh, oh. Take it back to Daddy.
Come here, bring it here. Good girl.
So yeah, I worked on this for a while, but I was kind of under some stress yesterday because Sis's roommate was going to come or was going to call me so we could drive her 2 hours to her rehab. So I want to show you what I did. I got these all glued in, so I need to trim them still. Probably another couple hours on this, and then this will be up in the store. So if you're waiting for that, then when I do the full flip through of this journal,
Don't make me get that red ball.
it will be listed. So, you know, pay attention to that if you're interested. And I'm thinking it's going to be Sunday afternoon, so Sunday probably at noon or so. We'll see how that works out. So just kind of do a quick flip through, give you an update on Sis. So anyways, Hazel wrote me yesterday morning and said Sis was doing well, that not a lot of change. It looks like she's improving. Sis was improving. And sorry, we have to go and see Sis today because I have to have a doctor's appointment. So we're going to stop by and see her. But however, she got to go home, so she doesn't have to go to an inpatient physical therapy. So that's a good thing. So I do have a bunch of tags and stuff in here. So yeah, she will still have therapy on her speech and her knee, but it's local, so that's good. That's a blessing. Answer to prayers for sure.
Yeah.
But I didn't get that phone call till really late, and then she wrote me and said that Sis went home about 4:30 or so and went straight to bed because she was exhausted.
Poor thing.
Yeah, it's been a rough week, you know. I was thinking how, yeah, I almost started crying when they said she's well enough to go home. So it was a very emotional day yesterday. Clint went ahead and ran to work, so I was home and I was too worried to not do stuff. So I was just working on this in the house, and I still need to add some little charms. I do want to add charms. I added a few things. I just want to kind of go through it and show you really quick some of the things I added. Just some little trims here and there, and some journaling cards. I didn't do really anything fancy yesterday. It's got so much going on that now it's kind of like you just want to put in some journaling cards and say it's done, you know. I did put this, isn't that cute? Need to find a little tiny paper clip. I have some of those from Leslie. And so it's just the little things that I still need to finish up, that I want to finish up, you know. And like, I need to ink all these journaling cards because I don't have my ink and stuff in here. So yeah, I really love this. I think it turned out really cute. See, there's a pocket, needs something. But it's a little chunky one. And it has taken me a pretty, few hours. I think it's up to probably 20 hours on it.
It's amazing.
But I have done more stuff on it, you know. Isn't that pretty? I love that. And I added some trim here, hun.
Oh, I like that. That's sharp.
Yeah. So, and another little fabric flip. But I added that trim. And so I think I want to make one of those writing boards like Gayle has, like she typically does for journals like this. That way you could slide it in here and then you could write and have, you know, a solid spot to write on if that's what you want. But I do want to add one of those. Might do that on camera. Maybe for Saturdays. We'll see. Clint's going to be doing stuff too on, but we're almost sold out of ink blenders. Suddenly everyone's buying, and so he's going to be working on those too. So, isn't this beautiful though? Oh, and I did cover up this one spot. So I just put another coffee dyed piece on it, and that worked. And then I see just a couple of tags, things like that need to go in there. And then I think I still need a few more little decorations here and there. And then it's going to be done. So, like I said, this is going to be a big chunky monkey for sure. I still have to put the ties on it. And I'm still debating on whether or not to redo this part. So, it just doesn't lay very well, and that stresses me out. So I thought about just putting charms like a key or, you know, something like that, just hanging it.
Instead of the beads?
Yeah, because they crunch up and I don't like that.
But the beads make it look...
Do I need to replace it or just leave it? Let me know what you think, but I don't want them to break on you guys either. What happens is these wires, they go up inside here, so I might can twist or like pinch those. So maybe they wouldn't go up in there, and that might be a fix.
You need those little fishing swivels.
Yeah, I do. Ow. So anyways, yeah, we're not going to have a long video today, but I did want to touch base because typically when we're gone for a while, people are like, where are you? Are you okay? We're okay. I did have a major headache yesterday, but today I'm running down in about an hour or so to get my mammogram, which is always fun. And get that out of the way so I can see Sis. We're going to do a locate, maybe a yard sale. Just stop by and see what they have. I don't know if we'll get anything. But yeah, so that is the update for today. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think. Should I leave the beads or should I try something else? Let me know. Because I'm not going to work on this until I get home tonight. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Bye.
Love you guys. Thanks for visiting. Tutzings.